This is how I saw the opening of the tip holder. I insert my needle from random place, and I don't use the same yarn. I use a cotton yarn with the same color. It's easier to show and also sew. Later I will make a knot here. So what I do is I insert my needle in between front and back loops, like that, if I could. I think this is called the mattress stitch, but I am not sure. And then insert from again in between front and back loops of the opposite side, like this. I later hide this yarn tail and continue doing the same with the next stitch, like this, and the next stitch, like that. I don't know if you can see, like this, and continue doing from the next stitch in between, if I could, like that, and this one, here, and when you pull, it closes nicely, and you continue till the end, so you get a clean closure, like this, like this. Let's pull this one also. See, like that. See, to the next one. And then after this is closed, I sew the tips this side where I did the closure, and I sew the tip handle part of the pipette, this part, in the middle of this part, like this.